Hi, today we will be doing a custom domain for Azure static websites. Uh, there's two or maybe three ways to do that. Basically, the first one, you just go to your domain and domain registrar and you point your static website using a CNAME, but it will not work. It will give you an errors, wrong resource because the URL thing is not mapping to the original one on Azure. If you try the other one, which is using the custom domain tab on the Azure website, also you will not be able to you will be able to do it, but it will not work with HTTPS. What the problem? The problem is that the Azure will give you like it will not work over HTTP, so you will have to use HTTPS, and you will get invalid certificate. So basically, each time the user try to go to your website using the second method that I mentioned, using the custom domain tab directly on the storage account, the this one will give you like you are not going to it would give an error message which say you are not going to a static website, you are not going to a secure website over HTTPS. So the only option until this date I know about is using a CDN and giving the CDN a CNAME, which then the CDN will provide an HTTPS certificate, which is what we want. So the first step is to open Azure the Azure website. Okay, if we'll go to the portal one, we'll go to the portal.azure.com. From there, we will be going to, on the left side, there should be a storage account. If we click the storage account. I already created a static website. Okay, basically, if you did not create it, it's easy. I will show it to you just in a second. So we open the portal, we go to the storage account. From there, we click on the storage account name that we want already created. If you not, you can create it and click on it. After that, on the left, you will find a static website tab. You click on the static websites tab, static website. When you click it first time, I'm already enabled it. If you don't enable it, you have to enable it, and you upload your static files there, and you go to until it to go directly to the index.html. From this point, after we get it, we have to copy this link, which is called the primary endpoint for the website. Be careful because there is there is another one called blob.core, which is in the parent storage account, not on this special one for the web or the static one. From there, we copy this link and we go to the Azure CDN. We go to the we go to the Azure CDN on the left. So if you go to the left here, you find the Azure CDN. From there, we will go to down. We scroll down to the new point or to new endpoint. From there, we select from the price tier. We select the standard ACMA. It's faster build documentation from copying the data from the storage account to the CDN. So from there, I will go to the standard ACMA. I will name it the same name, classroom CDN. From the CDN endpoint, the same name. I will use the same naming. Here for the original host URL, here you have to use which one? You have to use the original one. You have to use the default one is the blob.core. We have to use the web.core one. Okay, so I'll copy that one. We copy it before 2 steps or 3 steps. From there, we click create, and we wait a second. It looks like this one is profile is already there somehow. Yeah, it's maybe so the profile is already there. We click it CDN1, add a number, use for the consist like this, create, and we wait a second. We click create again. Then after like 2 minutes, it will be running there. It's running on HTTP and HTTPS on the two of them. So it's, if we go to that one, if we go to this link, we should see that we should be seeing the yeah, we should be see that seeing the what the HTTPS, and we do it like that one, and we click it. We should be seeing the website. Yeah, it's the website is loading there. It's a second because it's a JavaScript Angular website. So the website is loading. So now we have the link there. After we have the link, the next step is opening your domain panel and adding a domain or a CNAME. I'm hosting. I already opened my my domain name. From there, I will add a domain or a subdomain for me. So if I click here, Control V, I already copied the name. And here also, if we create the Control V, use the Windows Control V, so I will see the old one. So here is, this one is the link for the CDN link that created before a second. See, remember this CDN link? It's there in the CNAME. And after that, you click Save or Create Record. Okay, so the next step is to go to to your Azure portal. Click on the name of your domain that it will open a special panel, another one. Click the name you already added now. Click on it. On the top you will find add a custom domain. From the custom domain, go down to the custom hostname. Leave the endpoint hostname as the default one, which will be pointing to the same endpoint. From there, from your panel, if you remember, copy your host name there somewhere there. If it's there, yeah, copy it and put it there, and click and wait a second. It will verify it, and click add and wait a second. Now in the middle, your domain will appear down on the custom domains. Click it. It will open a configuration. From there, click on the config or custom domain HTTPS. Click it to on. From there, you have to click save, and you will wait like a second until it will save your change. It will open. It will update your HTTPS. Give it a second. After a little, you will find it will appear down until down from the button. You will find as the status. It will give you like 3 domain. It should be automatically. Yeah, it should be automatic. And the configuration will be shown like the test of mapping of static website, your custom domain. Everything will be there. You can, in this time, you can try to test it without HTTPS. You just try to go directly to your website, but you have to go to the HTTPS one, because the HTTP it will not work. I'm not sure if it will be okay. If you go again, see this message. I don't want this message to be there. So when this finish, okay, there should not be, when there is certificate, when the certificate provisioning finish, there should be nothing there for you. So I'll just click proceed here. It should open your website. There is another one that I said before, which is called here. If you open directly, we already finished. We have to wait for this one to finish. And when it's finished, the certificate will be there and everything will be there. It should be like this.